Hi ladies, I'm so excited to introduce to you all our big pink ticket. You are going to learn something so big and so exciting that you're not going to be able to hardly wait to be able to share this. So Essential Bodywear at Leadership introduced a big pink ticket program. We are so excited. So this is a ticket that you're going to use to sponsor. When you bring in somebody in the month of February, you are allowed to have one pink ticket. You can give this to a person of your choice, and they can earn a chance to get $199 off any upgrade to a bra fit kit. This is for February recruits only. This is an amazing gift to be shared. Be sure, do not let your pink ticket go to waste. Share it with your bestie, one of your hostesses, or a great customer to help her get started in her Essential Bodywear business. This is a coupon, like a discount, that she can use to upgrade to one of our bra fit kits. And she can turn this in as soon as she is qualified with $500 in personal volume in her first 40 days. Plus, she needs to have in her back office for future bookings because, of course, we don't want to bring somebody in and not help them get bookings to keep their business going. She can use that coupon then for a business builder kit or a bestsellers kit. So, each stylist that is active with Essential Bodywear in the month of February will get one ticket to share. This is also for all leadership attendees, including our golden tickets that attended our leadership last weekend. They will get an additional ticket to share, so those people will get 2 tickets to share. Then our other way is that anybody, if you didn't attend leadership and you weren't a golden ticket, but you had at least $10,000 in personal volume in the year 2020, you too will have 2 to share. So this pink ticket is to be sure to be shared with one of your besties, a new hostess, a past hostess, a great customer to help her get started in her business. She will hold her kickoff party within her first 40 days. She will have at least $500 or more in personal volume. She also needs to make sure that she has 4 future bookings. So that means if she can have 2 in March and 2 in April, that's great. Once she does that, she sends her pink ticket to rep support in an email. She can then use that towards that $199 towards an upgrade in her business builder kit or the bestsellers kit. So again, let's go through this. The new stylist signs up in the month of February with one of our virtual kits. She has her kickoff event within her first 40 days, has at least a minimum of $500 in personal volume. This will also earn her to get a capsule for free, one of the 3 capsules she can pick for free, plus she earns commission of at least $125. This new fit stylist can use those earnings plus her pink ticket to buy her bra fit kit. So remember, she also has to have those 4 additional bookings in her back office. So she needs to have those scheduled. Then she selects if she wants the business builder kit or if she wants the bestseller kit. So the business builder kit is $499. She then can use that $199. That brings the cost down to $200, right? Then she has her commissions, probably at least $125 if she had over $500. Then her cost will just be $75 plus shipping and taxes. She can then select her bestsellers kit if she wants to do that one. That one's only $299. She can use her pink ticket. Her cost would only be $100 because then she would use that $199. And then remember, she had $125 she earned in commission, so she'll still have commissions left over. She does still have to pay shipping and taxes. Now's the time to pick up the phone and email or text your upline leader to help her understand the ways you want to use this pink ticket. Brainstorm with her on how you do not let this go to waste in the month of February. So pick up the phone, brainstorm with your upline leader, make a plan for the month of February to share that big pink ticket.